Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm making a Sunday special video in which I'm making two paintings. The first one has a very colorful theme while the second one has floral theme. Today is very beautiful Sunday morning, so I decided to name my painting as Mood of Nature. Both paintings represents peace and intense calmness. These paintings can be used for hanging on the walls. By looking this, you will experience extreme peace and positivity coming into yourself. The colors I'm using in these paintings are used in different mind meditation related to peace and positivity. Being an artist, I know the significance of art, how much it can be impact on human body and life. So guys, I would suggest to you to hang this kind of paintings around yourself, especially in your living room or in your bedroom or the place where you go for yoga. I used watercolors directly in my first painting, and in the second painting I used wet in wet technique. Personally, I like wet in wet technique, and for details for this technique you can watch my recent watercolor painting videos. In the first painting, I just applied different colors in the background. I used some bright and light colors. I didn't use any exact amount of colors. I used colors according to the mood of the nature. I made trees and lots of branches and bushes by using dark brown and black. I used different size brushes in all steps according to my convenience. I personally use small size brushes more than big size because I can control them perfectly during the strokes. I made this painting in very simple and easy way. So guys, as you can see, I'm making a peaceful floral paintings, so that I decided to discuss a special topic in this video related to our society, as I think it has become a most common problem among the people. We all have to go through this kind of situation somewhere in our daily life. So guys, our today's topic which I am going to discuss with you is angry behaviors. Tolerance is the most important emotion among all emotions, and it is the strongest one. By using this, we can change the toughest situations and remove all the barriers. But when I look at around myself, I observe we have a lackness of this emotion very badly. As a nation, this lackness reflects in our behaviors. When you start losing your tolerance, you automatically start getting angry. So it is very important to ignore such minor mistakes and human errors on daily basis. It is very sad that we people even are not ready to accept diversities of thought, not only in our daily life, even on social media. We can see so many examples where people fight with each other on nonsense and non-relatable topics. I used to think that only we have this issue in our country, but when I critically observed the social media, I found this issue has become globally. I personally think that social media is the huge platform we can use in a good way for spreading love, peace and harmony. Instead of this, it has been used for spreading negativity and anger, which directly means for me that 100 problematic people are making 1000 people problematic persons. We should understand the power of tolerance and positivity. By understanding this too, we can overcome from many awful issues. second painting, I applied water on the paper surface, and then I applied blue for sky and yellow in glow, then applied orange to make the sunshine. Color for grass and leaves, I made sun with white color, then I let it dry. I made leaves, bushes and grass with different shades of green colors, and made flowers with different light and dark colors. You can see these are very simple and easy steps.